common denominator for all good leaders is that they truly care about the people they work with. And among the things that my best leaders have done is that they've made it very clear that they believe in me. That's something I try to do as a leader for others as well.
Stand up and let's see what happens after that.
Behind me was a team of 50 friends, family members, a very supportive girlfriend, and now fiancé, who gave me feedback so many times on my presentation.
If you are a powerful, impactful, influential leader, it is your job to create clarity even when you cannot see.
You just have to be very kind of brave to say like, hey, please come. Like I can help you get your coat quicker. Lovely.